A new tropical storm has appeared, and its path is going through Philippines and other ASEAN countries. Its name is Bualoi, and it's going to be Typhoon Category 1 or 2. Its wind force or wind gust is 108 kilometers per hour, and its current air pressure is 996 hpa. Typhoon Ragasa is still fighting southern China. It's evolving from tropical storm to Typhoon Category 1. Did you see it? Small eyes are appearing. Philippines is like a dumbbell. Typhoon Ragasa and Storm Bualoi surrounding Philippines. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.